If you want to please start talking about that.
Jai Sai Ram. Can I request all the volunteers who are in the kitchen or in the back rooms be in the main hall, please? Jai Sai Ram. I think today is a momentous day in the history of any SSP. I know you have been hearing about the temple project. We announced that we got the permits back in December and then we opened the bids to the general public, which was an open bid back in December. We got almost 10 plus bids with various cost factors, various contractors. We went through an exhaustive process of evaluating these bids. So these bids are not like just you pick up somebody's bid, you go through almost 6 to 8 weeks of evaluation. You work with the general contractors who are willing to work with us. We do value engineering, we negotiate with them. So we went through this exhaustive process, and finally I'm happy to tell you all that we have selected a very qualified builder. So I'm going to give the mic to the builder soon, but let me say a few words about this. This builder has more than 30 plus years of experience in New England area, building many commercial projects. But the most important one is that he built 2 temples in our community. The first one he was associated with was the Lakshmi temple in Esland. We all know that. He did some portions of that temple, and you've seen that architecture of that temple. The second temple he built it was Chinmay Mission in Andover. You all seen that temple. So I have 2 gentlemen close to me who were the brain behind it. One was an architect. You all know our architect. He was involved in Chinmay Mission. And now I'm going to introduce you Nalin Mistry. He is the man who has built these temples, and he's among us. He's going to introduce himself and walk us through what the process is going to follow. Before I give it to him, next Thursday is the construction starting on the site with tree cutting. And this would not have been possible with all of you, all of our devotees, and most importantly all our volunteers who work behind the scene and dedicatedly make this temple, provide these services. So this project would not have been possible, and this day would not have been possible without your support and commitment and hard work. So we should give them a round of applause. I'm going to hand over to Nalinji right now. V.D. Nayakji, we introduced to him. His voice is a little choking today, but you know him very well. So Nalinji.
Well, first of all, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, which is, somebody had told me when I was young that I will build a lot of temples. But I thought I would do it with my money, and it looks like I'm getting a service to build to the community, and I'm very happy for it. As Mahendraji said, that I've been in this area since 79. I came in 61, but since 79 I've been in the business and done a lot of large projects, and some of the projects are very recognizable, which like a temple, which is first temple was Sri Lakshmi temple, where they did the Raj Gopuram, and I was given an assignment to design that section, and then we built it. And then after that, I think it was very successful. I also did the whole site for the temple, and which was, before I got involved, it was just the beginning and was a rough shape. Then another temple we got a chance to go and complete it was the Chinmay Mission, and then that was really a successful project for me and Nayakji both, and we are very happy that it's functioning well, and I think some of you also going there and getting a chance to go and pray there as well. As far as this project concerns, I think you guys have worked very hard to come to this far, and the site we have selected is so well. It is about 23-acre site, and I think it's a really large site, and it sits up on a mountain. And I think once the temple is located at that situation, it will have a lot of spirit and a lot of holy, what do you call it, feeling. And I wish it gives us the service to the community for a long, long time. We are starting, as Reddy said, by next Thursday, we will have a beginning of cutting the trees. We got all the permits. I went through the planning board and the conservation commission, and they have approved everything what we are doing. So the next Thursday being auspicious day, that's the first tree will be cut. And then from that point on, and from that point on, we will continue doing the construction.